Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn Ackah from Ackah Business Immigration Law, and here are the most important Canadian immigration updates you need to know about for November. Let's start with work permits. IRCC has tightened port of entry processing. Seasonal agricultural worker program applicants can no longer apply at the border. They must apply before traveling. Seafood plant workers can only apply at a port of entry if they are visa exempt and have every required document in hand. Everyone else must apply online. This update is meant to stop in-Canada applicants from trying to get around the rules by going to the border. IRCC has also removed its wage review instructions under the Temporary Foreign Worker Program. Officers will now rely strictly on the LMIA-approved wage. There is no separate wage review step anymore. Next, let's talk about youth and students because several changes affect these groups. ASEC Canada has been removed from IRCC's list of recognized organizations under the International Experience class. If you used ASEC for work and travel support, you will now need to apply through the regular IEC pool or work with another recognized organization such as SWAP, Step West, Go International, or IATSE. IRCC has formalized the new cost of living amounts for study permits. A single student must now show $22,895 in living expenses in their bank accounts. And this increase will continue every year. It will increase based on the low income cutoff. IRCC has new instructions around designated learning institutions, program standards, and documentation that must be presented for study permits to be issued. Students also have expanded work rights. Eligible international students can now work up to 24 hours per week off campus. This is an increase from the previous 20-hour limit. And IRCC has clarified that students waiting for a co-op work permit must keep all their hours, including the co-op hours, within the same 24-hour weekly cap. Francophone students applying under the FMCSP pilot now face higher financial thresholds as well, aligned with the low-income cutoff, but they will still benefit from PAL and TAL exemptions and dual intent flexibility. Now, let's move on to families and workers already in Canada. Immigration has introduced a major 5-year public policy for out-of-status home care workers. If you have a Stream A permanent resident application in process, you may now restore your status and apply for an open work permit, even if you lost status more than 90 days ago. Eligible family members in Canada can restore their status too. Spousal sponsorship applicants also have some good news. You can now extend your spousal open work permit for another 2 years while your PR is still being processed. Dependent children are included in the application may also qualify as well. IRCC has updated military family work permit rules, removing eligibility for dependents of Tier 4 military personnel under certain codes. And protected persons now have new flexibility. They can apply for a study permit from inside Canada even before submitting their permanent residence application. Temporary measures for Sudanese nationals have also been extended until October 2026. This includes fee-exempt permits and continued passport flexibility for PR approvals. Immigration has also extended open work permits for PMP, expression of interest workers in Manitoba and Yukon till December 2025. Alberta is no longer participating, but previously used to issue support letters. They still count if you have them. And lastly, the agri-food pilot has officially closed, with final instructions confirming strict job offers and NOC matching rules for remaining applicants. There's a lot of change this month for students, families, employers, and temporary workers. We break everything down in detail in our monthly immigration update blog, so feel free to check it out on our website. And if any of these changes affect you or your workforce, book a call with our team at Ackah Business Immigration Law.